Hi everyone, today we'll go over how key-based deduplication can help users to club similar incidents together. To create a key-based expression, navigate to your service section, click on a particular service. Under your automation section, you would find something called key-based deduplication here. Now to create a key-based expression, the first thing you would have to do is opt in for key-based deduplication rather than deduplication rules. For that, you can simply click on change, click on proceed. That will make key-based deduplication as active and deduplication rules as inactive. Now the way to create an expression under key-based deduplication is click on add dedup key, select an alert source, let's say Neuralink for example. We would see the payload of the latest incident triggered for that particular alert source. Now in here, I want to create a expression where whenever an incident comes in with the same policy name and the same severity, it should be clubbed together. So the way I would do is simply click on policy name in here so that I can get the address of where exactly that variable resides, and then I can start to create my expression. The way it would be is two open curly braces and then dot and then the particular address of the variable that I want to utilize. Now, along with policy name, as I mentioned, I also want to utilize the severity. So I can also search for severity in here. Let's say severity, and then I can write dash, again open curly braces, two curly braces here, and then severity. Now under output, I can also click on show output to figure out whether the expression that I have written is the correct one or not. It shows a correct output. That means what I have written is working. Under then, I can then start to define my dedupe time. This is basically the time period in which all of my similar incidents will be clubbed. So let's say I would want 12 hours under dedupe time period. Then I can simply click on save, and my dedupe expression automatically starts to work. Along with this, I can even create conditions maybe based on like a conditional expression. So if I only want to club for a particular, let's say, container name or a namespace, for example, then I can create conditional key-based expression. These would look something like this. Let's say Prometheus, I want to create a dedupe expression where it will only club similar incidents when they are coming from a namespace called cube systems. So I would create a condition that if it equals labels.namespace, which is the variable that I want to utilize in here, has the value as cube system, then simply utilize that namespace itself. So I can click on show output in here, and that works. If I don't want to utilize the variable and I simply want to add in a value instead of a variable, I can even do so. So let's say I can simply write cube dash system, and even this should work. And then I can simply click on save, and both of my expressions are now working. It will look something like this, where under the incident details page under dedupe events, you would see all the incidents, all the similar incidents that would be clubbed. So it helps you to reduce all of your alert noise that your engineers might receive whenever a critical issue happens and you receive a lot of incidents for the same issue. Ideally, you would want to club all of them together, and dedupe key-based dedupe is the best way to handle this kind of a situation. So hope that helps. Bye.